Dear students, hope you are learning well through the new online experience. In last lecture, you have studied about the pressure acting on solid object and its value can be changed by changing area of contact. Well, today we are going to know about the topic liquid pressure. I expect all of you to pay attention sincerely. After studying today's topic, student, you will be able to Number one, differentiate between the liquid pressure and pressure exerted by solid. Number two, predict why special swimsuit wear by the deep sea divers. Number three, explain use of liquid pressure in hydraulic brakes. Number four, demonstrate the activity based on the liquid pressure. And number five, state properties of liquid pressure. Liquid pressure. The pressure exerted by a stationary liquid at any point inside the liquid is known as the liquid pressure. Liquid pressure is exerted due to the movement of the liquid molecules. They striking with each other and they striking with the walls of the container. Due to this striking, they exert the pressure on the container. Now we discuss the activity number 1. Liquid pressure increase with an increase in the height of liquid columns. We take a transparent pipe, stretch a rubber balloon over one end of the pipe, hold the pipe in the vertical position as shown in the figure. Now pour some water in the pipe. We observe rubber balloon bulges out. Note the height of the water in the pipe. Now pour some more water in the pipe. We observe balloon bulges out more. So we conclude that pressure exerted by the water column at the bottom of container increase with an increase in the height of its. Now discuss the activity number 3. Liquid pressure increase with increase in the depth. Take a container and make the hole with the same nail of the same size at the different height. Now fill the container with the water. Now observe the water coming out of the holes. We observe that water coming from the bottom holes covers the large distance and it comes with the high speed. It means it comes with the high pressure. And we observe water coming from the top hole covers the less distance and it have the less speed, so it comes with the low pressure. It means liquid pressure is increased with increase in the depth of the. If water is replaced with the oil in the same container, we observe that oil covers less distance than that of the water used. It is because oil has the less density than the water. Hence we can say that pressure also depends upon the density of liquid used and the depth of the liquid. Now we discuss the properties of liquid pressures. Number 1 property, liquid pressure on the bottom of container does not depend upon area of the bottom. As shown in the diagram, there are 3 containers which have the different size of the bottom and shape of the bottom. The height of the liquid in all 3 containers is same. They exert the same pressure at the bottom of container because liquid pressure does not depend upon the area of bottom. Second property, liquid pressure at any point inside the liquid depends upon the density and height of the liquid columns above that point. This is already discussed in the activity number 3. Number 3 property, liquid exert pressure on the walls of the container. This is explained.
Liquids exert pressure equally in all directions. Let's take a polythene bag and punch several pinholes on it and then fill it with water. You'll see the water spray from all of the holes, proving that water exerts pressure in all directions.
The last point. An external pressure applied on an enclosed liquid is transmitted uniformly throughout the liquid. It is explained by the example shown in the diagram. A balloon is filled with the water. We make holes at the different points of the balloon with the same pin of the same size. Now we press the balloons with our fingers. We observe that water falls from these holes at the equal distance away from the balloon. It shows that external pressure applied on the liquid is transmitted uniformly throughout the liquid. After discussing the topic liquid pressure, we are going to discuss the question related to the topic. Question: which property of the liquid pressure is used in the working of hydraulic brake? Answer: an external pressure applied on an enclosed liquid is transmitted uniformly throughout the liquid. In the hydraulic brake, there is a fluid used is braking fluid. When we press the brake, the uniformly pressure is transmitted through the braking fluid, which help in the gripping the wheel and stop the vehicles. Now next question: why submarines are made with the thick and heavy metals? It is because pressure exerted by a given liquid increases with the depth. They are made of heavy metal to withstand an enormous water pressure when they go deep down near to the ocean floor. Now observe the last picture. We observe the diver wear the special swimsuit when they go deep into the sea. It is because liquid pressure is increased with increase in the depth. Now we are going to perform the activity related to the liquid pressure. First activity: liquid pressure is increased by increasing the depth of liquid. For it, we take a plastic bottle in which we make the holes with the same pin at the different height. Now we pour the water in the plastic bottle. Now observe the stream of water is coming out. We observe water from the lower hole is fall at a large distance. So at the lower hole there is a large pressure. From the top hole water is fall at a less distance. It means at the top hole liquid pressure is less. From this activity it proved that liquid pressure is increased by increasing the depth of the liquid. Now we are going to perform the second activity, which shows that liquid pressure is same at the same height. For it we make the hole at the same level with the same needle. Now we pour the water in this bottle and observe. Observe, stream of water is coming from the holes, and we observe water is fall at the equal distance away. It shows that liquid pressure is same at the same height.